If you are looking for an app where you can make like £10, £50, £15 or dollars depending on your location, I found an app that can pay you that amount, but the amount you are going to be making weekly from this platform all depends on your effort. So before I take you into the app, let me also let you know how this platform works. This platform pays through gift card. So if you have issue exchanging your gift card, you can always reach out to me. So if you look over here, you see numerous surveys that I'm getting on a daily from this platform. So another thing you should also know is that this platform pays through coins. Once you gather enough Norstat coins, you can withdraw. So guys, for you to register on Norstatpanel.com, you have to come over to their website and you need to also use their invite link. Someone has to invite you before you are able to log into the platform. So you can see over here it says join the 4 million plus users in Europe, scoring gift cards to top brands with Norstatpanel's fun surveys. So for you to create an account, you have to scroll down and come over to this part where it says sign up now. So the first thing you are going to do is to enter your first name, your last name, your email address. And for you to work on this particular platform, you need a UK number. So personally, what I did when I was creating my account was to use a one-time number. So if you don't have a UK number, you can make use of your one-time number. I'm going to be dropping the link to that video where you can get a free foreign number, a free UK number, in the description of this video. So right now, let's go ahead and create account. So the first thing I'm going to do is to enter my name. So I'm gonna write my name. So the next thing is to enter my email address. Now that I have entered my email address, please don't use a random email address. Make sure you create your UK email address for this particular platform. So the next thing I'm gonna do right now is to enter my UK number. Like I told you, I have a video on how you can get a free UK number for this site. So let's go ahead and enter our UK number. And just for disclaimer, please kindly note that the free UK number might stop working on this platform anytime. This platform is not mine, so I'm just sharing with you what works for me. Once you have entered your UK number, the next thing you should do is just to tap here, accept their terms, and once you've accepted their terms, the next thing you do is to click on send. So they are going to be sending you a code and the number you just entered. And if you read here, you see where it says we need your phone number to verify your account and to send 2-factor authentication codes. So this code, you are going to be needing the code only once. That's to say that the only time you need a UK number for this platform is when you are trying to create your account or to verify your account. So let's go ahead and tap on send. Once you see their link like this, go ahead, copy the code and go back to the site. So go ahead and paste your link over here and then click to verify your account. So once you have inserted that, just go ahead and verify your account. This is the registration process. It's going to be asking you about your gender. So go ahead and fill up this. So accept, state your exact date of birth. Please use the calendar tool. So for your contact detail, go ahead and enter your postcode. So for me, I'm entering my postcode. That's E16 3NR. Then you enter your address over here. So over here, it says we would like your permission to identify your devices. So if you are okay with this, go ahead, give your consent. So just tap here and then click over here to give your consent to that. So once you are done doing that, the next thing is going to be for you to set your password. So if you look here, you see it says, please set a password for your Norstatpanel account. So just go ahead, enter your password and confirm the strength of your password. Once it says that your password is strong, that's you must enter at least 12 characters. So once it confirms that your password is strong, go ahead and hit the submit button. So you can see over here it says, great work. We want to get to know you better. Can you please tell us a little about yourself? So this is where you're going to be filling your profile. And like I told you in my previous videos, your profile has a lot of roles to play in you getting consistent surveys from survey platforms like this. So just make sure that your profile is strong. So now let's go ahead and do that. Just come down and tap on continue. So over here it says, what's your marital status? So for me, I'm going to choose married. So I don't know about you. So for me, I'm choosing married. Then I'll click on next. This is where you should click. Then let's go. How many people, including yourself, live in your household? So for me, I'm going to select 4. How many people, including yourself, live in your household? So I just selected 4. So I hope you know I'm just using this as an example, please, and make sure you at least follow what I'm giving you here. So the next one says, how many children below the age of 18 live in your household? So I'm going to select 2. Then the next one says birth year, child 1. Please select your answer. So for our first child, we are going to be selecting birth year. So for the first child, I'm selecting 2020. So for the second child, I'm going to be selecting 2022 or 2023, as the case may be for you. So the next thing you're going to do now is just to tap on next. This one is for you to go back to the previous. So if you made the mistake, you can click here to go back to the previous. So for me, I'm clicking on next. Over here it says, what is the highest level of education you have achieved to date? So over here, I'm going to select postgraduate degree or equivalent. So the next one, make sure you come down to read everything and ensure you are selecting the exact thing you are supposed to select for each of them. So the next one says, what is your current employment status? So for me, I'm selecting working full-time. I'm working full-time. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to come down and do the next one. Which of the following options best describe the occupation of the chief income earner in your household? So for me, I'm selecting this. Please bear it in mind that I am using this for the purpose of this tutorial. You can actually select whatever you feel like selecting, but I'm selecting what works for me. What works for me might not work for you. So make sure you go with what works for you. So the next thing is for us to click on next. Then it says here, have you purchased any of the following kitchen equipment the last month? So we have microwave, blender, this is pasta maker, food processor, espresso machine, none of the above. So for me, sure, I have purchased this. So for anyone you have not purchased, you can say no. Just go ahead, select everything. Just make sure you do not click on none of the above. So the next question says, which of the following best describes your living arrangements at the moment? Are you living in your own apartment, your own house, rented apartment, rented house? So I'm going to click on this. Then the next one says, what is your personal monthly net income after tax monthly income? In case you are wondering what is your personal monthly net income, that is your monthly income in a whole year. So for me, I'm gonna select this. What is your household monthly net income? So for my household, I'm gonna select this. Then you click on next to continue. For me, I'm consistently using high profile. I don't like using low profiles in my survey profile, so you can choose lower than that. Over here it says, we may need to verify your identity in the future, as it is important to us to know with certainty that the Norstatpanel is entirely composed of real people. So it went further to say, what would be your preferred way for us to verify your identity? So over here it says digital verification method, for example, your bank ID. So the second one says ID document, example, identity card, passport, driver's license, birth certificate. Then the next one says says profile link, like your LinkedIn or your Facebook profile. So for me, it's either I go with this or I go with this, or you can even select the two. In case any of the two doesn't work, you can easily go for the next one. So but if you don't have an ID card, a UK ID card, and you have only your LinkedIn account, please kindly go with the LinkedIn account. So you can choose any of these two. You can choose any of these two, except if you have this, you can go for it, but just make sure you do not tap on this. If you tap on this, you have completely disqualified yourself on this platform. So just choose any of these two, then you click on next. Over here it says which of the following most accurately describes the industry you work in. So let's go ahead, let me select mine. And over here, make sure you are not selecting anything related to media, advertisements, all those kind of stuff. Just run away from them. Then you tap on next. So over here it says your mobile number. For some surveys which are available only for a short time, we might send invitations by SMS or WhatsApp. Do you want to receive survey invitations by SMS or WhatsApp? So if you are okay with this, you go ahead, click on SMS, or you go ahead, tap on WhatsApp. And if you are okay with the two, you can go ahead and select the two. But since you are using a free number, don't forget you used a free number. Your free number is temporary. So if you are using a free number, make sure you go with SMS in case you are able to find that number again in the temp number website. But it's more advisable that you get your UK number, your own personal UK number for this platform. So when you get your UK number, we have platforms where you can get your UK number, such as Vike, Cloud SIM, and which other platform, card.com. We have other platforms like that. Just get your own UK number, and once you get your UK number, go ahead and use it to create your WhatsApp account. So if you are following the second method that I'm giving you, you are free to go with SMS and WhatsApp. But if you are going with the free temp number, you might not be able to create a WhatsApp account with it. So you just go with SMS. So now I'm selecting SMS because I'm using a free number as well. So let's go ahead. So over here it says, we are very happy to have you on board. You are now an important member of our community. So it says, what can you expect in the next few days? Once you complete your registration, you will start receiving survey invitations. Each invitation will include an estimate of the survey duration and the number of coins you can earn. After completing a few surveys, you will see your coin balance grow, bringing you closer to your first reward. How likely is it that you will answer the client survey you will receive from us within the next days? So over here, make sure you select very likely. So select very likely and click on next. Once you are done creating your account in the site, you can come over to the app. So currently I'm just in the app. So I've logged in. The first thing I received is, hey, you received a special challenge. Finish 3 surveys. You've done 1 of 3 survey completed. So we have 2 to go, and your extra reward is 12,000 stars. So just tap on OK. So this is the interface of the app once you succeeded in logging in. So you can see I currently have 2 Norstat coins, 12,500 stars, and I have 1 ticket available. So right now this is a survey available. It has 3 Norstat coins, 250 stars, and it's gonna take 3 minutes to complete. So now, are you ready for us to take this, or we should just pause the video right here? So let me tap on the survey so that you can at least see how it looks like. So over here it says, are you ready? So to complete this survey, you will have an activity level of 100% for September. So just tap on next. So over here it says, on the next page you will be asked a quality test question. Let's just go ahead Please select the word that best describes food. We have pancakes, we have kayak, we have rollerblades, we have ferry, we have sunglasses, window. So pancake is the right answer. Tap on the next. What is your age? Don't forget the year you enter. So over here it says, which of the following UK train companies have you used in the past 3 months? If you are still watching the video up to this point, it simply means that you are really enjoying the tutorial and that you are ready to take action. Please kindly help me hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and if it's possible, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know that you watched the video up to this point. And if you want the full tutorial, kindly comment in the comment section and I will tell you how you are going to reach out to our Telegram channel where I will be dropping the full tutorial. See you next in my next video. I remain Coach Emilia Davids.